The ancient Roman physicians used to say, "How can a man die if sage grows in his garden?" Ancient medicine regarded sage as a miraculous herb, capable of healing not just the body, but also the soul. In ancient times, sage was valued as a natural remedy for treating and preventing various health issues, making it a symbol of longevity. In fact, it is rich in antioxidants like rosmarinic acid, which helps protect our cells from free radicals. Sage tea is often used to treat stomach conditions because of its digestive, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. Additionally, sage is a powerful stimulant and rejuvenator, known for its ability to boost energy and vitality. Drinking sage tea can also enhance intuition, inspire creativity, and even improve your ability to dream. Mint. Mint is far more than just a refreshing herb. With its high menthol content, it aids digestion, soothes gastrointestinal issues, and calms the nervous system. It's a natural remedy for stress and anxiety, helping to relax both the mind and body. Lemon balm, also known as lemon herb, is treasured for its calming properties. It contains compounds like caffeic acid and flavonoids that support cognitive function, enhance mood, and promote good sleep. Now, let's move on to preparing our tea. Here are the ingredients you'll need. To start, bring water to a boil in a saucepan. Once the water begins to boil, add the sage, mint, and lemon balm leaves. Let them simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. After boiling the herbs, turn off the heat and cover the saucepan. Allow the tea to steep for about 10 minutes. This resting time allows the essential oils and beneficial properties of the herbs to fully infuse into the water. After 10 minutes, your longevity tea is ready to be enjoyed. You can drink it warm, perhaps with a teaspoon of honey if you prefer a bit of sweetness. This simple tea is more than just a drink. It's a daily ritual to nourish your body and mind, a small act of self-care.